Kahapon sa interview ng Josh Leah Love Team ay tinetest nila ang kanilang relationship sa pamamagitan ng isang lie detector test.
Happening right now on Showbiz Balita.
And may mga set ng cards na mga tanong at iyon ay sasagutin nila with yes or no. If may magsisinungaling, the consequence is iinom na isang shot ng alak. At ang ganda nilang tingnan kasi kahit na friendship na lang ang dalawa, ay nangingibabaw pa rin ang pagiging professional nila Joshua at Julia sa kabila ng kanilang past relationship. Dahil open rin ang aktres sa kanyang sarili at pati na rin si Josh. Isang masayang ganap na naman ang inhatid sa atin nila Joshua Garcia at Julia Barito.
Na-regret mo ba relationship natin?
Hindi ko siya nire-regret. 2 years yun. Ang tagal nun. Yung relationship na daming itinuro sa akin. Pahirap ba ng pahirap yung mga tanong?
Ka ba yung mga tanong? I think
Ready?
so.
Okay.
So what does it mean? He goes first.
Sinil talaga.
Did you ever stalk me online after we broke up?
Yes? Pili ka makakorente ako. Nakikinig ako.
Oh, you're telling the truth! So how was the stalking like?
Hindi siya stalk. Parang, check ko lang kung kamusta ka na. Like, kasi during pandemic yun.
Yeah. So you look at my post?
Napapansin ko lang kasi lumalabas ka sa feed ko eh. Makapacheck ako na, yung ganun lang. Pero hindi hanggang dulo na.
Oo, yeah. Okay!
Hindi ka naniniwala. Naka-story. Hindi mo ba nakikita?
Hindi nga. Sabi ko, ay wala na siyang pake. Joke lang. Joke lang. I'm kidding, guys. Relax.
Kinikilig ka ba when you rewatch our scenes?
Hindi mo ako pinasagot. But okay, yes.
Ano ka ba?
I'm scared. I really tell the truth.
Oo nga, no? Okay. Yes.
Of course, those were the days, you know. We used to do a lot of rom-coms. They were so much fun to me.
Parang pag nag-preview kami, parang natutuwa kami na perfect plan. Yung scene, yung lines, yung kulitan, di ba?
Right. Ma'am, mas gusto mo ba akong katrabaho ngayon o dati?
Dapat isa lang, eh, no?
Yeah.
Ngayon, pili ko makakuryente ako.
I think he's telling the truth.
Yeah, makakuryente ako. Intense yung tunog, di ba? Parang nakakapakinig ng kamay. Pero, seryoso, mas gusto ko ngayon. Pero gusto ko rin yung dati. Nung mga bandang pauna, no? It's just that sa relationship kasi tayo.
Right, yeah. So take your shot.
Hindi ako nagsisinungaling.
It's the
Shot pa rin ba ako?
Yeah. Just
Ano
how?
ba yan? Huwag mo akong pinipilit. Game na game pa rin siya, man.
If you're gonna take the whole, you can take the half. You took the whole. Not so
Alright.
tight. I need space to get it off if it shakes.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Namiss mo ba ako nung nagsama tayo ulit sa set?
Yes. I'm telling the truth.
Kaligtas ka sa shot,
Well, I do love working with Josh. We really have this special dynamic. Iba yung communication namin at saka yung pagkakaintindi sa isa't isa kapag nagtatrabaho na talaga kami. Parang may kasama ka sa laban na to. May ka-journey ka. Is there any gift from me you've kept with you all this time?
Yung Motorino na vinyl, turntable.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Let's see if it's still really with him.
Hindi ka makakuryente ako.
So you're lying? Oh, you're telling the truth!
Yes, kinip ko pa rin.
Thank you.
Nakatago. Kasi bumili nga ako ng bago, diba?
Oh, yung mas maganda. So, tinago mo na lang yun.
Oo, pero sa akin pa
Pinabulok
rin.
mo na lang.
Nasa akin pa rin.
Okay.
Nagustuhan ba talaga ako ng pamilya mo?
Oo naman.
Grabe yung mga tanong.
I'm scared. But yeah, they did. See? Yeah, they did.
See?
Thank you.
Okay.
My family, they are very accepting and very warm to everybody that we let in. I think they genuinely cared for Josh as well.
Yan, naramdaman ko rin naman yan.
Yeah, especially mom.
Grabe ka. Lalo si tita.
Yeah. Is there anything I do now that you wish I did before?
Grabe, lalo naisip ko, no? Naisip ko kasi kung ano yun. Pag maganda yung mood natin, magaan yung shot.
Okay. So,
Di ba before pagka may away tayo,
syempre.
down din yung set, di ba? So I think yun sa akin. Yun yung,
Ano yung wini-wish
yung
mo?
pagiging masayahin mo, yung good vibes.
Hindi ba ako good vibes?
Di good vibes ka rin naman before, kaya lang hindi tayo like always good vibes.
Okay, fine. Always telling the truth.
Pahirap ba ng pahirap yung mga tanong?
Nakakaba yung mga tanong.
Okay, your question, Julia. Have you ever wished I fought for our relationship more?
We want people to fight for us, so yeah.
Mismo.
I'm scared. Oh my God, that's a good
Focus.
question for you. Na-regret mo ba relationship natin?
No.
Let's see. Oh my God, that would have hurt.
Of course, no. Diba? Of course not. Hindi ko siya nire-regret. 2 years yun. Ang tagal nun. Yung relationship na daming itinuro sa akin na nagamit ko sa mga nasunod na relationship. Diba? Pero ang dami ko natutunan. Yun lang.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Was I a good partner?
Yes.
Bilis ah. Gusto mo yung ako yung kinakabahan?
I'm telling the truth.
Gusto mo yung ako yung kinakabahan?
It's about you eh.
So explain.
Sabi niya, this is our closure, pero explain. Puro ka explain sa akin. You're a good person, and you're a good partner. When you love someone, you always love the person 100%. And you really looked after me. Yan talagang babalikan natin all the good times, all the good things that you were to me.
Parehas naman kami talaga na naging mabuti sa isa't isa. Hindi naman kami siguro tatagal lang 2 years kung nagagagawan lang kami, di ba? Yeah.
Do you think unhappy for you is closure for us?
Ang tapos na yung closure natin. As in, parang after nung breakup namin, nagkikita pa kami. Pinupunta ako sa bahay. Tapos sa time na nagmumotor na ako. Right? Kasi dati, nung kami pa, ayaw niya kang payagan magmotor. So, iwalay kami. Muli ako motor. So, pinupunta ako sa bahay. Diba?
Agad.
Tapos may video pa kami na, no? Tapos nag-brainstorm lang kami, nagawa tayo ng ganitong pelikula, ganyan. Parang okay pa kami ng time na.
Let's see if you're telling the truth. You're telling the truth. Wow! Ang galing! Thank you for everything. I had so much fun doing this movie with you. And I hope it doesn't last.
Ako din. May time before nun sa eksena na. Shit, na-miss ko tong set na to.
Yeah.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung process natin, yung journey natin sa movie na to. And I hope na magka-work ulit tayo soon.
Yeah, yung supposed to look at each other as it's like bad luck or something.
Bad luck sa?
You don't have to say it.
Bad luck sa ano?
But come on.
Ano?